You know that tingling sensation when you first bite into pineapple? When I was young, my parents would add salt to pineapple to neutralize it. Turns out, the sensation is actually of the strongest natural enzymes switching on the moment it touches your mouth. And if more people understood what that little sting really does inside the body, pineapples would disappear from supermarket shelves faster than almost any other fruit. You see, pineapples help your digestion, your joints, your energy, your heart, and even the way your body repairs itself. Here are 7 powerful reasons why you should eat the pineapple. Number 1. Pineapples help break down stubborn proteins. Pineapple has a natural enzyme that breaks down heavy proteins in your food. When ingested inside the body, this same enzyme also helps clear extra protein waste that builds up when you feel swollen or tight. This is why some people say they feel lighter after meals when they eat pineapple. Their body is not working as hard to digest food. The load becomes easier. But this same natural power plays a bigger role once it reaches your bloodstream, and that leads into the next benefit. Number 2. Pineapples help with stiffness and soreness. There are days when your body feels tight or achy, even when you have not done anything out of the ordinary. Pineapple helps calm that uncomfortable feeling. The same enzyme that helps with digestion also helps reduce the tiny triggers that cause swelling. People who eat pineapple a few times a week often say their body feels more flexible. Their muscles bounce back faster. Their joints feel less irritated. Athletes in some places eat pineapple after training because it helps their body settle down faster. Number 3. Pineapples help your digestion. Work smoother. Your gut is one of the busiest parts of your body. When digestion is slow, everything feels heavy. Your energy drops, your mood changes, your day feels harder. Pineapple helps in 2 ways. First, it helps break down food so your stomach does not have to push as hard. Second, it gives your gut the fiber it needs to move things along without strain. If you get bloated easily or feel sluggish after certain meals, pineapple can help your body handle food more smoothly. And there is one more digestive benefit people forget. Pineapple supports the good bacteria in your gut, the ones that help with immunity and smoother digestion, but the effect does not stop there. Number 4. Pineapples support healthy blood circulation. Most people think about heart health only in terms of salt or fat, but circulation is just as important. Healthy flow keeps your body energized and balanced. Pineapple contains potassium, which helps your blood vessels stay relaxed. This can help your body keep a steady level of pressure, but the enzyme in pineapple also helps keep your blood from getting sticky or heavy. When your blood flows smoothly, your heart does not need to work as hard. You feel more awake. You recover faster. Your body moves with less effort. But circulation is not the only system. Pineapple helps protect. Number 5. Pineapples help repair joints and connective tissue. Your joints and tendons go through wear and tear every single day. Slow repair is one of the main reasons people feel stiff as they get older. Pineapple contains simple nutrients your body uses to repair and rebuild the tissues that hold everything together. Your ligaments, your cartilage, your tendons, and even your skin depend on steady repair. This is why some people notice that they recover from exercise or strain a little faster when they add pineapple to their week. Number 6. Pineapples support long-term eye health. Your eyes face stress every day from sunlight, screens, and age. Pineapple contains natural compounds that add a small but helpful layer of protection to the retina. People often think carrots are the only food that helps the eyes, but pineapple supports eye health in its own way. It does not fix vision overnight, but it helps slow down the stress your eyes deal with daily. And this brings us to the final benefit, one that ties everything together. Number 7. Pineapples help your body clean itself. Your body is always clearing waste through the liver, kidneys, skin, and gut. Pineapple supports that natural process gently and effectively. The potassium helps your kidneys filter better. The antioxidants help your liver handle daily stress. The fiber helps your gut move out what it no longer needs. This is why some people feel lighter or less puffy when they eat pineapple regularly. It is not a cleanse or a detox plan. It is simply your body doing what it is designed to do, but with a little extra help. When you put all these benefits together, pineapple becomes more than a fruit. It is a simple habit that quietly supports your body from the inside out. Your digestion feels smoother, your joints feel easier, your circulation becomes steadier, your energy rises, your whole system feels a little more balanced. That little sting on your tongue is a sign that something natural and helpful is going to work. Thank you for watching, and comment how often you take pineapples. I would love to know.